Welcome to Antique Hardware Supply. In today's video, we're diving into a comparison of three classic hardware styles: cup and bin pulls, ring and drop pulls, and bale-style pulls. We'll explore their history, design features, and where they best fit in your home. Whether you're a fan of vintage charm or historical authenticity, this video will help you choose the perfect pull for your project. Let's get started. First up, we have cup and bin pulls. These are easily recognizable by their semicircular or cup-like shape that you can grip from underneath. Originating in the late 19th century, cup and bin pulls became particularly popular during the Victorian era and well into the early 20th century. They were a common choice for kitchens, utility rooms, and even filing cabinets. Cup and bin pulls are known for their simplicity and functionality. They're typically made from durable materials like brass, iron, or bronze, making them a practical choice for high-use areas. Their design allows for a comfortable grip, which is why they've remained a timeless option, fitting seamlessly into both traditional and modern kitchen designs. Whether you're restoring a vintage piece or updating a contemporary space, cup and bin pulls offer a perfect blend of form and function. Next, let's talk about ring and drop pulls. These pulls feature a circular or oval ring that hangs gracefully from a small post or backplate. The history of ring and drop pulls dates back to the 18th century, where they became a staple in Georgian and Federal-style furniture, often adorning elegant chests, desks, and cabinets. The ring and drop pulls bring an air of timeless elegance to any piece of furniture. They're often crafted from high-quality materials like brass or bronze, with detailed backplates that add a touch of sophistication. The dangling ring not only provides a unique aesthetic but also offers a functional grip. These pulls are versatile enough to enhance everything from period furniture to more contemporary pieces, making them a popular choice for those looking to add a bit of historical charm to their decor. Finally, we have bale-style pulls, a hallmark of colonial and early American furniture design. Bale pulls consist of a handle, or bale, that hangs between two posts or ears attached to a backplate or directly to the drawer. This design dates back to the 17th century and gained widespread popularity throughout the 18th and 19th centuries, particularly in Chippendale and Queen Anne furniture styles. Bale pulls are known for their sturdy, practical design, often featuring ornate backplates with intricate details that reflect the craftsmanship of the period. These pulls were originally designed for heavy drawers, making them not only decorative but also highly functional. Today, bale pulls are perfect for adding a touch of historical authenticity to antique furniture reproductions or for restoring vintage pieces. They are commonly used on chests, dressers, and even cabinet doors, providing a perfect blend of durability and decorative appeal. Each of these pull styles, cup and bin pulls, ring and drop pulls, and bale-style pulls, brings its own unique history and charm to your home. Whether you're restoring antique furniture, updating your kitchen, or simply love the look of vintage hardware, these styles offer both beauty and function, helping you achieve a timeless look in any space. If you enjoyed this comparison, be sure to subscribe to Antique Hardware Supply for more insights into the world of antique hardware. And don't forget to check the description for links to all the products you saw in today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.